What's going on, everybody? I'm making some cornbread today, the best cornbread of your life. I didn't say it, Chef Jean Paul said it. I came across a video that shows a guy making cornbread and it did look pretty good, and at the end he said it was the best cornbread of your life. Well, I'm here to find out if that's true. I found this guy, I guess because he's connected to Louisiana Cookin magazine somehow. He has his own channel, and since I've been looking at this magazine, in my last video I cooked something out of the magazine, or a couple of videos back. His stuff has been suggested to me on YouTube. I got everything I need right here. I got to get the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients mixed together, and I'm going to put the skillet in the oven and get it going. Make sure it's hot. Oven's on 475, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I couldn't find the exact same cornbread that he uses in the video, some Martian mill or something like that. He uses a combination of coarse and fine. I just got something cheap from Walmart, so hopefully it'll work out. This is Indian head. I've never even used it, never even heard of it. I just saw it there, so I'll go ahead and get all these dry ingredients in like he does in the video, and I'll link to the video in the description. He gives out all the measurements in the video. So we got the yellow cornbread, some baking powder, baking soda, salt, and some sugar. I'm just gonna mix that together. Now, let's get the wet ingredients together. Got some buttermilk, some eggs. I'm gonna whisk that up. Now I've got some melted butter that I'm just gonna whisk right into there. Dry ingredients, and just whisk them right in. So here's the mixture of dry and wet ingredients ready to go in the skillet. Now I've only made cornbread one time in my life. I had to get a napkin. My grandma taught me how to make cornbread. I remember her showing me how to do it a long time ago, but I just never tried to do it but one other time in my life. Usually my wife or my mother-in-law or my mom or whoever makes the cornbread. But seeing this video, I really wanted to try this because it was interesting using Steen's cane syrup, which we used to have in the house growing up, and then duck fat for the skillet, which I thought was unique. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the skillet out, and we're gonna put the duck fat in there, and then we'll pour it in and get ready to cook it. It's been about a little over 20 minutes in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this in the skillet. I'm gonna put a good bit of this in there. Make sure it's nice and hot. And I'm gonna pour this in there. And I'm gonna do it like he says in the video. And I'm gonna let these edges crisp up a little bit before I put it back in the oven. That looks pretty good. Alright, that's starting to brown a little bit on the edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. I don't know, for about 30 minutes, that's what he does in the video. And also, he didn't say how much duck fat to use, so I just kind of guessed. Let's put it in the oven very carefully. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. It looks done, so let's go ahead and get it out. Oh yeah, look at that right there. That looks good. Alright, here comes the scary part, transferring it over to the plate. It looks like it's not stuck at all on the edges. So I'm hoping the bottom's good too. So let me go. I'm not sure how to do this. There we go, like that. Alright, I'm gonna take some butter. I'm gonna let that melt, spread it around, then we'll cut a piece. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece. I hope it's done all the way through. It looks pretty good, gotta say. Now the best part, let's take it over to the table and finish it off. This is what got me really excited about trying this cornbread.
Behold, the man poured forth the syrup, and it covered the bread as a flood upon the land.
Alright, let's try this out. It looks really good. I've never had cornbread with Steen syrup on it. Now when I was a kid, I don't know if I was a kid, but I remember putting peanut butter on a slice of bread and then pouring steams on top of it. You need that. It's pretty good. This might be the best cornbread of my life. You gotta try this. That's some good stuff. It's almost like eating cake. Man, that is good. You gotta try it. The inside's cooked perfectly. Oh my gosh. I definitely will be making this again, for sure. Man, I'll tell you what. I haven't been eating sweets or anything lately, no desserts for a few months now, but I decided to go ahead and allow this just to taste it. Man, that looks good. Good stuff. That is good. I couldn't find this in the store anywhere around here, so I bought it online, and it's just a Louisiana product. I didn't even know that. When we had it growing up, I'm from south of New Orleans, so we always had it in the house, but around here, I'm in North Georgia now, I couldn't find it anywhere. But I'm going to start keeping some of this on hand. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out Chef John Paul's video if you want to know how to make it, know all the ingredients and the amounts to put in there. But I wanted to try it out. He said it was the best cornbread of your life, and I think he's right. Check it out.